Hello everyone, my name is Eusef. I am a student from UNAC. Today I want to talk about a very special place in Colombia. It is called Cueva de los Guácharos. It is located in Acevedo Huila. The section I chose from my blog is my travel experience. In this section, I talk about why Cueva de los Guácharos is a great destination to visit. I chose this section because I think Cueva de los Guácharos is one of the most beautiful places in Colombia. It is more interesting than many other natural parks. It is also more unique than other destinations in Huila. I think everyone should know about this place. Acevedo is a small town in Huila. It is a very peaceful and natural place. The Suaza River is beautiful. The coffee farms are also very nice. But the most important place in Acevedo is uh, the National Natural Park Cueva de los Guácharos. This park is more exciting than any other park I know. It has cave, mountains, and rivers. It is a very unique experience. Walking through the caves is amazing. Exploring the underground path is more adventurous than any other activity in the region. Visiting this park is honestly one of the most unforgettable things you can do in Colombia. In conclusion, Cueva de los Guácharos is the most extraordinary place in Huila. It is more special than other tourist destinations. Visiting this park is a great experience. I think it is the best place in Acevedo. Thank you for watching. I hope you can visit Azoredo someday. It is a wonderful place. Goodbye.